In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a layer to Teleport HQ and copy the HTML and CSS code. We'll start right from your design workspace. First, click on the Actions icon to bring up the quick search. In the search bar, type Teleport HQ. When you see the Teleport HQ option appear, click on it to open the integration panel. This connects your design to the Teleport HQ export tool. Inside the panel, look over to the left side and click on File. This reveals your file and layers, so you can choose exactly what you want to export. Select the specific layer you want to turn into a project. Choosing the right layer keeps your export clean and focused, so pick the frame or component that represents the section you want to build. Now click on Export as a new project. You'll see it start to load. Give it a moment. If it seems like nothing is happening, hang tight. Wait for it to process, and keep waiting until the spinner or progress indicator finishes. Large designs or slow connections can make this take longer than expected, so patience here really helps. Once the export completes, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Teleport HQ account. If you don't have one yet, quickly sign up. Use secure credentials and avoid sharing any sensitive information on screen. After you're signed in, you'll land in your new project. Next, click on Code. You may see an upgrade message or a prompt. Simply close it to Continue. Then click on View Code to open the project's code viewer. At the top of the viewer, click the drop-down arrow and select HTML. This switches the preview to show the generated HTML. Wait for the code to update. It might load very slowly depending on your project size, so let it finish fully to ensure everything renders correctly. With the HTML in view, navigate to the file list and go to index.css. This is where your exported styles live. Open index.css, review the contents if you'd like, and when you're ready, click on Copy. That copies the CSS to your clipboard so you can paste it directly into your editor or project. If you're organizing your files, keep the copied CSS alongside your HTML, so class names and styles remain in sync. That's it. You searched for Teleport HQ, exported your chosen layer as a new project, signed in, viewed the code, switched to HTML, waited for it to finish loading, and copied the CSS from index.css. Follow these exact steps and you'll have clean, ready-to-use code from your design in just a few minutes.